Bear Feels Scared, written by Karma Wilson, retold by Aiden. Bear is cold and hungry. A storm comes swishing and moving crazy. Bear is afraid of the storm and hides. Bear is lost and does not know where his cave is.
Meanwhile, his friends lay low at the cave, waiting for him. They begin to worry and start a search party.
Bear is all alone and sad that he can't find his way home. His friends start looking and say, "Let's go!" They look longer and shout for him, and Bear feels scared. But then, Bear hears something. Read Bear Feels Scared to find out what happens.